everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about moderate multimodal content in Azure Content Safety Studio. So we have already discussed about Content Safety Studio, but what is this moderate multimodal content? So this is to moderate both the text and the image. That is, you can see some text inside the images like memes or something. So you can moderate that as well. Okay. So this specific service, this key feature is particularly useful in the environments where user generated content needs to be monitored and moderated to ensure it adheres to platform policies and does not harm users. Okay, so let me just show you, like, where you can see, you can just first go ahead and create a resource, and in that you can search for content safety. Okay, so just go and type here and you can find content safety. So you can see this content safety. Okay, so once you have created the resource, you can find this. Just scroll down where you can find this content safety studio. Okay, so just click this content safety studio. It will take you to the content safety studio here, and in that content safety studio you can find the third option, which is a moderate multimodal content, which is actually a preview feature. Okay, if you wanted to check this, you have to submit a form there. So once you have requested and once it is approved, you can see, you can try this. Okay, moderate multimodal content. So you can test on images and text combined content. That is what the main purpose of this moderate multimodal content. Just click try it out, where you can see few already trained images. Okay, so just click on this safety content. So before that, but first ensure whether you are using the correct resources. You have to enable this. I acknowledge that this demo uses the resource, this particular resource, you should enable it. And then just, if you see here, you can see, like, be the reason someone smiles today. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, this is image preview, and it is also moderating through this violence, self-harm, sexual hate. Okay, and just let us try to run the test and see, like, how it works. So what it will do is, what it will just moderate the images, and it will show you there is no hate, no violence, no sexual content, or no self-harm. So this is fine, right? So let us just go ahead with the next one. This is a harmful meme with the text. Okay, so arrest white babies before they become school scholars. So something it is showing. Let us try to run the test here. Okay, and see, like, how it is working. I'm again telling, this is still in a preview feature, so you cannot expect the exact that is, a few feature are yet to implement. Okay, so this is an image, and this is a sample text you can also attach with this. Like, I just really want to do this for myself, so it is showing something here. Okay, so let me try to run the test. So this should be blocked because this is a self-harm, and you can see it is rejected because of the self-harm category, and you can see that this is coming under self-harm category, so this is blocked. Okay, so if you want to just try to do this, like, if you wanted to check whether what is this multimodal content and try this, you can try that as well. So if you want to upload your own content, then I'm just selecting my file. Okay, and I'm selecting an image here. So this is what the image actually, my code is working. Okay, let me refactor it, $258, and it's really, so let us see. I have just added this. I just really wanted to do this. Let me just run the test. So this should be allowed, right? Because, okay, blocked. Why? Because it's a self-harm content. This, I should do this. Okay, it is also finding both the image, I think. I am happy. Okay, let me just try to execute this and see. Allowed. Okay, so here it is also searching for the image and also for the text. Okay, You can even run without the text, but it is also working there. Okay, so this is what you can test. So the multimodal content is what you can test both the image on and the text. Okay, so I can just try to upload one more thing here. Let me just try with whether I can add a GIF image. Yeah, so the GIF image is also added. Let me just run the test. So it is running based on the image content. Okay, so it is allowed because there is no harm in it. So even if you want to test it on the large data set, you can just simply browse the file here. You can first try to upload all the data. So here you can see this is a self-harm content, which already it is actually it's already trained. Okay, it's already trained, so you can see there are large data. Okay, so it has large data. When you find out there is opening for the role for the first lady. Okay, so you have all these things here. So let us just try to okay, let me just try to bring in some harmful content and the image that is a collection of data. Okay, with all these you can see here it has both the text. Okay, don't blame me, fuel was expensive. So you can see some thing like with the image and the text. Okay, let us first try close. Let us run the text. Let us run the test and see like how this is working actually. Okay, so it's showing 77.8% allowed and 22.2% is blocked, and this is the precision, this is a recall, and this is a F1 score. Just if you see like which images are blocked, you can just click on that images and see why it is blocked. And you can also see that because it's a judgment, it's blocked because of its judgment, and there is a high hate, and this is like blocked because of safe and see, this is what your black neighbor after you called the cops. So there is a hate as well here, right? So you can even try to upload like large data set and see. Okay, and if you want to view the code here, you can simply select here to view the code, like how it has created, what is the complete code here, how it has built, and how this code, like what is the what is the hate percentage. Okay, threshold, what is the threshold for the self-harm, violence, sexual content. And actually you can just understand this code. You can find the 3 languages where the code can be used in order to implement this particular multimodal content. Okay, so you have to just replace your Azure key, I think. So there are some terms and conditions to use this, because this is a preview feature, so you have to just check how it is really working and then go ahead with that. Okay, so other capabilities, you can just try this out, and you can also see the price to use this. If you want to use it in a large scale like a corporate, if you want to use it for your organizations, then you have to just go ahead and see that. So this is a demo, and this is not actually included in any exams, because like Azure Microsoft exam, because this is still in a preview feature, and once it is available you can see that. So you can just join join my learning room here. So this is, I'm a Microsoft Learn expert. You can find this link, I'll be sharing this link in the comments, so please go and check here. And this is my learning room, AI and enterprise business application, Dynamics 365 Power Platform, and AI Copilot. So here, probably if you just click this, it will take you to a form where you have to submit the form. You have to select the correct learning room so that you can just join in my room, and we'll be conducting a lot of sessions on Power Platform and everything Business Central. So please join us. And this is my YouTube channel. You can find all the videos related to Business Central, Azure technologies, challenges, and everything here. And this is my TopMet account. If you want to schedule a call with me, just you can simply schedule that. I can help you with your certification readiness, career guidance, and everything. So I hope you find something useful when in this session. I'll be seeing you in the next session soon. So it's open for Q&A.